Hello kids. Today we are going to learn how to write a new number. Number 3. We have already learned how to make half a round. So today for number 3 we have to make 2 half rounds. So put your pencil on the dot. You will make 1 half round. Stop. And then from here you will make another half round and touch the line. Number 3. Once again, put your pencil on the dot. 1 half round, 2 half round, number 3. Don't forget, you have to start from the dot and you have to stop at this line. You must always touch the line. And when you are making the half rounds, don't lift up your pencil in between. Okay? Once again, start from the dot. 1 half round. Now don't lift your pencil. And another half round. Number 3. So like this, you will do this full page. After you write this page, you will do this activity page. Can you see 3 traffic lights? 1, 2, 3. And we have to color the traffic lights. You must have seen the traffic lights on the road. Yes. So you will color it red, yellow and green. Okay? Happy learning.